Hi everyone, it's Angela Dahlgren. Today I'm going to take you on a narrated tour of a standard refurbished room at Disney's Port Orleans Resort Riverside. So this is the outside of my building. I was in the Alligator Bayou area of Disney's Port Orleans Resort Riverside, but there are two sections to this resort. There is Alligator Bayou, which is kind of like their swampy area, and then there's Magnolia Bend, which is their plantation themed section. I will tell you more about Magnolia Bend and the rest of the resort when I give you my overview of Disney's Port Orleans Resort Riverside, so just stay tuned for that. There are over 2,000 rooms at this resort, and each one is 314 square feet. Inside my room are two queen-size beds and a Murphy bed, and I cannot wait to show you what the Murphy bed looks like inside. It's just, oh my gosh, it's just the cutest. I love that they made the Murphy bed look like a crate, like a box. So the decor and the detailing in this room is great. It's just fantastic, and I will show you and point out why throughout this video. I'm just curious, do you guys actually read the literature that they give you, that they lay out on the bed and on the table? I tend to not so much anymore, but I did take, video of it for you to see. All right, I don't normally show you how to pull down the Murphy bed, but I did this time. So this is how you do it. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's Louis and Ray. And oh my gosh, you have Tiana and Naveen and Evangeline. It's just the cutest. I love that. And then you have drawers underneath the Murphy bed. Oh, that scene from The Princess and the Frog is just adorable. And they're doing that with a lot of the refurbished rooms. They're putting a picture in the back, and it's just the cutest. After looking at the thermostat, we have a coffee counter, which has the 90th anniversary coffee. I don't know if that's still there because I stayed there last November, so I don't know. But this is what I mean by the detailing. Look, that's the fridge is behind there, and they have the lily pads. And I just thought that was really, cute details. It doesn't take much to impress me, you guys. Apparently lily pads is one of those things that does. That's what I mean by the 90th anniversary coffee. I did bring that home, by the way. Thumbs up this video if you're one of those people, like me, who brings home those free souvenirs like the pen, the pad of paper, the coffee, and the free shampoo and conditioner when it's not mounted to the shower wall. Let me know. And here's what my view looked like from outside of the room. Disney's Port Orleans Resort Riverside also has princess-themed rooms, or they're called royal rooms. And if you would ever want a review of those, please let me know. They do cost more, probably like, $50 to $100 more, but they are beautiful. So, let me know, leave a comment, thumbs up the video, let me know. So if you stayed in a room here before the refurbishment, how has it changed? For sure the carpet is gone, and they have the new hard floor. Another thing is the curtain here is a Princess and the Frog theme. I think it's cute. It might be considered a little childish, but I think it's adorable. Then again, I am childish, so go figure. You have a safe. Up above, you have an extra pillow and blanket, which I always end up using because those rooms are freezing, although I do change the temperature as well. Laundry bag, iron, hair dryer, ironing board, garbage cans. Hey, there's me. This was filmed super late at night. I think it must have been probably midnight. I was so tired, but I had to get this room tour filmed before I made a mess of everything. Isn't that so cool how they use kind of the washboard as part of the decor? Again, it's all in the details, you guys. This is why I get excited. Bathroom, not really much to say about it other than they have the Princess and the Frog themed shower curtain. I would actually say it's pretty similar in size to a value resort bathroom, but nicer because of the refurbishment. And here they are locking up the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. They're not letting us take it home anymore. Overall, I really enjoyed my time in this room. I thought the refurbishments were done beautifully. I loved the addition of the Murphy bed with the outlets above it and the storage underneath. You know my thoughts on the decor, so I'm not going to keep beating a dead horse there. My only complaint was that it was a little far from the lobby. Nothing against the room. What I could always do for next time is use the TouringPlans room request feature, and if you don't know how to use that, I will link that video below. That's all I have for today. If you have any questions, let me know below. I'm Angela Dahlgren, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Fragile, like my emotions.